Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you my personal workflow on how I retouch eyes in Pixelmator Pro. We lift the whites, we add depth to the iris, we sharpen texture, all while maintaining the natural look. You will be able to apply this to any portrait, any headshot, any picture with eyes in order to get that captivating look. Once we have our original image open, we'll go ahead and duplicate this layer. I like to rename my layers, so I will rename it eyes. Then I will add the mask while holding the Option key. I will make sure that the mask is in Hide All. We'll go to the Style tab and then click Refine Mask. Here you will need to switch between Refine Edge Brush and Basic Brush in order to have more control over your mask. Once we are happy with our mask, just click Apply. We'll go to the Color Adjustment tab and we will select the highlights. We'll just lift it up a bit, usually roughly between 10 to 15, and the shadows as well. Once we're happy with our effect, we'll go ahead and duplicate the layer again. We'll drag it on top of the eyes layer and rename this one Iris. We will apply the same exact mask by holding the Option key. We will go to the Style tab, Refine Mask, and we will do the same exact step for the eyes. Once we are happy with our mask of the iris, we will just click Apply, go back to the Color Adjustment, and we will lift the contrast, roughly around 11 pixels. We will lift the clarity, and then we will lift the saturation as well. Once we are happy with this result, we will go to the Effects tab, we click on Add Effect, and we will look for Sharpen. Here, I usually set my intensity between 120 and 140, and the radius around 3 to 4 pixels. Just to show you before and after, I'm gonna go ahead and group everything together, and here is the before and after.